Hey guys, so we are back with another video. So I got like a couple things that I need to do today. I have around like 8 to 10 videos to make today. So we're probably going to split it between Saturday and Sunday, okay? So right now, the first video we're doing is my installation because it is the weekend and I need to post content. And this is what I post on weekends, doing my hair. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm just going to wait until this dry. Let me show you some of the product I'm going to be using. I'm trying this one for the first time, but if that doesn't work, then I'm obviously going to be using my glue because this works. So this is my That Girl glue. I have alcohol just to clean up my wig in case. This, I just have some melting spray in there. And then here I have some skin protection. Then I have like my wax stick that I'm going to be using. I have my wax stick that I'm going to be using. My hair glue remover. And my scalp protection. So those are what I'm going to be using today. So I'll be back once this is dry so we're good. Put on the wig.
Sign up in a gym, me a get fat, that me a worry about. My belly and me can do it up, so me a fi fast, almost pass up. I fi run, sun a shine till the place dark out. Me a go damn now, my granny cook some run down, hungriness me now. No.
This is the hair that I'm going to put today. It's a green hair. I already liked it inside. So we're going to install this and then we're going to get into the rest of the videos.
That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. Shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. Shit, that's afraid. Just like that, come my way. Shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's.
So I just decided to do it as like a glueless and not glue it down because the wig is already tight and it's like squeezing my head. So
My wave, do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. Shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That.
brows like I show you guys doing it, but stay tuned. So guys, so I'm gonna be doing Eyes Beauty Lash Kit. This is the one I have. I'm gonna be using this one right here. Right here you see I have the seal and the bond on this, and also it comes with a stick. But this package, which is from this one, this is the package that it came into, and also we got some goodies as well in this container, and it's just pretty much the basic of washing your lashes: scissors, sponge, mask, bag for the eyes, and the brush. You got this just to wash it. This is for your eyes as well, and then you have the shampoo as well as the container to put the mixture. get into the next package. The next one I have is in this package, and this is what it looks like. Didn't come with any extra lace, it just came in this package. And this is like a runner. This one is actually very light, so if you guys like light shoes on your feet like myself, I can wear heavy material, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna link it as well. The store name is on the screen. This is a size 39, euro 39, which is like a US 8. So this is what it looks like. This is the other foot. This is the other bottom is look. And the inside, and once again I will link it. So now let's get into the final product. So last but not least is this one. I already unboxed one familiar, but I gave that away, and I got this one for myself. So I'm just gonna open it. Okay. So got a dust bag inside. I'm gonna keep those dust bag. And the wallet. These are usually the wallet you get with your receipt, but let me show you the one I have. I got this one here. I had to get a second one. I got this in pink, same color, same design. This is also in a size 39, which this one is in euro 6, but it does fit me. But this is what it looks like. So make sure you check the sizing, because each sizing are different. And here's the next one. Like, I think it's super cute and I really like them, which is why I got the second one. If you go down my page, you actually see the other one that I got. But I'm gonna link these down below. The name of the company is right here on the screen. But once again, I'm gonna link it down below in my beacon and in the description box, so you could just check it out and take it directly to the product. But all these stores, they have some really nice, good quality stuff, and they're very affordable as well. Like when I say affordable, like $39 to $40 affordable, because you know these are very expensive. So stay tuned.